Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be learning how to create this beautiful, stylish cowl neck backless gown. So as you can see, this outfit is very beautiful. So you can, and again, this outfit is on sale. So you can buy from us and resell. You can buy in bulk. You can buy in different color and resell it to your girlies. You know, if you buy something like this season, it's going to sell. It's going to go well because it's free, and this weather is very hot and you need something like this. So stay tuned. So I have my fabric here. I'm going to be using chiffon fabric. So it's very light. I don't really want to scatter it. So it's folded into two. So you can decide to cut just one piece first, then and then you now cut another one for your lining. So I don't want to pass through that stress. So I just have to cut the two together. So I just folded it like the way we used to fold clothes when you want to cut a cloth that we call center front. So this is how I fold it, and the length of my dress is 23. You can decide to make yours 29 depending on how you want it to be. So me, this material is not enough, so I just have to use the material I have in the house to create this dress. And the width here is 21 inch. You can decide to do 19, you can decide to do 20, but me, I use 21. So you can decide to use any inch that you like, that you want. So what I'm going to do right now is to mark from this my center fold, this center fold to about 17 inch. So just follow through, you understand, it's not hard. So this is, I mark from here to 17 inch. And then from this 17 inch here, I'm going to connect it to the other part to give that slant effect, that style, that slant style. So I'm going to just connect it to this end like this using my free hand. So I was supposed to use more than this so that the length of this dress was supposed to be more than this so that the slant effect will really show. But since the fabric is short, I'm just going to use it, and I'm going to use it like that. I should have just used 16, but I don't want to use 16 because it's going to be too high. Like, you know, 16 is supposed to be my waistline, and I just come down to 17 because I'm going to still bend it. At the end of the day, I'm going to have about 16 inch or 16.5 depending on how many inch I want to bend it. So I just have to leave it like this. So the next thing, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out. So guys, I have my strap here. You know, we are going to be using strap. So I cut out 4 pieces of strap. And then I've gone ahead to iron it and bend it. And the length I have here, so I'm working with the length of this 31 inch. And then this is about 3 inch. So I just bend it. So what I'm just going to do now is to take it to my sewing machine. I'm just going to sew it, and then I'll turn it, and then I'll iron it, then I'll bring it back and show you guys how we're going to attach it. So you guys have gone ahead to stitch this strap, and then I've turned it inside, and then I've turned it to the right side, and then I've ironed it, as you can see. So what we're going to be doing now is to open up like this. We are going to open this dress up like this, and then we are going to be attaching this strap here on this end, Oh God, I just hope this camera is capturing what I'm saying. So we're going to attach it like this. You're going to attach it like this, and then you're going to stitch it. And then, to make it easier for you, just make sure you use your pin to pin it down. This center here is going to be our front, like our neckline. Yeah. So you're going to put it on this line here, and then you're going to pin it down. And then you're going to do the same thing here. So this is how you're going to do it. So the next thing we are going to do after pinning this one here, from the neckline, you're going to mark your underbust line. So you're just going to mark it on the both sides. Where's my chalk now? And then you're going to mark it, and then you're going to mark it on this side too. From the neckline, you mark your underbust line. That is where we are going to be placing our second strap. If you want to do it on the waistline, fine. But me, I'm going to be using my underbust. So you are going to put it like this. And you're going to pin it down so that it will not shift. So right now, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine. I'm going to stitch. I'm just going to stitch it down. Then I'll bring it back. So guys, I've stitched the strap. This is how it looks like. So this is it. So what we're going to do next is to just sew the main bodies. So we're going to close up the side. So we're just going to use this one like this and cover it up. And then we are going to take it to our sewing machine. We are going to stitch like this by 1/2 inch, and we are going to do the same thing to this other side. Then when we are done, we are going to flip it over. We are going to turn it over. So it's just left with one thing for us to do. So let's just turn it over so that you see. So this is it. So this is what it looks like. Oh, so you just have to use your iron and iron it and make it straight. So the next thing we are going to do is to go ahead and hem this. Is to go ahead and hem here. So you're just going to hem the down part of your dress. So you're going to bend it 1/2 inch, and then you're going to bend it 1/2 inch again, and then you're going to stitch it. And that is how you're going to do it. So I'm just going to go and do it off camera, and I'll bring it back. So you guys, we are done, and this is the final look. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for following me. Thank you for commenting. Thank you so much. And if you want to buy this outfit in bulk and you want to recreate it in different colors for your brand, if you are a ready-to-wear vendor, or you want to start your business, you don't know how to go about it, and you want to create this outfit or any other outfit, any beautiful outfit, any stylish, you can contact me. So I am available to create any kind of outfit for you in bulk so that you can resell it and make your money. So this is it. So this outfit right here is available on sale, so you can contact me. and get your own, any color of your choice. Thank you so much for watching, and bye once again. See you in my next video.